Good AM. Today is December 2, 2023 Saturday, and here are the 10:30 AM Estel Visayas result today. Here are the Estel Sur 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under LAC 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, December 2, 2023. Here are the Estel Sur 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for December 2, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of Saturday, December 2, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.